daughter.
Working too late, but you never complained, and we never went without.
My daughter.
I was just 5, but in your hazel eyes, I never saw any doubt.
My daughter.
When I was 16, told me to follow my dreams, and
My
I wanna
daughter.
thank you for that. And I'd hate to
My
think
daughter.
about where I might be if you hadn't had my
My
back.
daughter.
You took my hand and told me that you would always
My daughter.
be only a call away, through all of the sunshine and the rain. All of the love you gave was unconditional. So say what you need to say, it's irreplaceable. There's nothing like a mother's love. There's nothing like a mother's love. There's nothing like a mother's love. There's nothing like a mother's love.